Clearing incognito browsing history on iPhone.
Hello there. If you've been browsing in incognito mode on your iPhone and are wondering how to clear your history, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to guide you through this process step by step. Remember, incognito mode, by design, does not store your browsing history, but if you're keen on making sure no traces remain, we've got you covered.
What is incognito mode?
Incognito mode is a private browsing feature offered by many browsers. When you browse in incognito mode, your browsing history is not recorded. Information like form data or cookies are not saved. Other users on the same device won't see your browsing activity. However, incognito mode doesn't make you invisible online. Your internet service provider, employer, or the websites you visit can still track your activity.
Clearing Safari's browsing data.
Even though incognito mode doesn't store your history, you might still want to clear any lingering data. Here's how. 1. Open Safari on your iPhone. 2. Tap on the book icon at the bottom. 3. Go to the History tab, the clock icon. 4. Tap Clear at the bottom right. 5. Select the time range you want to clear, the last hour, today and yesterday, or all time. 6. Confirm by tapping Clear History.
Clearing incognito tabs.
Sometimes, even if the history isn't saved, you might have forgotten to close the incognito tabs. Here's how you can close them. 1. Open Safari. 2. Look for the overlapping squares icon at the bottom right. This shows your open tabs. 3. Swipe left on any open incognito tabs to close them or tap the X at the top left of each tab. And there you have it. Now you know how to ensure that your private browsing stays private on your iPhone. Remember, always browse responsibly and be aware of the limitations of incognito mode. We hope this guide was helpful, and happy browsing!